Guess what? Due to popular demand, Sound Select is hosting yet another auction. But this is going to be unlike any other auction we've ever hosted. Because not only is this our 10th successful auction, but we are integrating it with Black Friday. That's right, it's going to be like mixing Red Bull with your coffee. It's going to be the auction of auctions. There are going to be big surprises in this auction because certain items in certain categories are going to start off at R0. We'll be hosting 4 separate auctions on the day. The DJ auction for all the DJs. The musical instruments auction for all our band members. The lighting auction for guys doing setups and installs. And of course, the studio equipment auction for all our producers out there. All equipment will be physically here, so you can see and touch as you bid. Saturday the 25th of November 2023, we kick off Sound Select's 10th auction. 250 Rand gets you a seat to get your deal of a lifetime. Interesting items such as this will be on auction, so make sure you book your tickets and get your seat. I'll be auctioneer and I'll see you there.